Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best 3D printer for coffee available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best 3D printer for coffee, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Evebot 3D Latte Art Coffee Printer. Evebot 3D Latte Art Coffee Printer Machine Automatic Beverages Food Selfie with Wi-Fi Connection Printing Food Safety Grade Ink. Utilizes food grade ink, certified by FDA, kosher, and HAL, ensuring safe consumption. Features Wi-Fi connection for easy pattern uploading via smartphone or selfie camera. Capable of multicolor patterns with a single ink cartridge, leading the industry. Prints on latte, cappuccino, cocktails, beer, macaron, and cake, enhancing creativity. Automatic cup height sensing and easy-to-use QR code system for quick pattern selection. Number 2. Manual 3D Food Coffee Printer. Coffee Printer Machine 3D Food Coffee Printer for coffee, cake, biscuits, cappuccino, macaron, selfie, latte printing. Inkjet printer. Wi-Fi enabled. Full metal frame and exterior, made from high-quality solid materials. LCD touchscreen can be rotated from 0 to 60 for best viewing angle. Upload image simply by scanning QR code or input URL. Print any desired image or text as fast as 20 seconds. Create inspiring art designs atop the froth layer of your coffee, both hot and cold. The patented proprietary box meets the standard of the Food Security Independent R&D spray head. The edible ink is certified by SGS, Food Safety Certification. More attractive, captivating atmosphere lamp design that blends for a cozier room ambience. Number 3. Yunyi 3D Cake Foam Coffee Printer. Yunyi Original Color Printer Wi-Fi Connection Automatic Biscuit Food Printer Ink Cartridges 3D Cake Foam Coffee Printer. Free to switch pictures in software, with automatic lift cup function. Software has counting function. Color and coffee color can free switching. Use ink bottle with SIS. Reduce printing errors. Each bottle is 100 milliliters. Can print 3,000 cups coffee. High-speed printing speed, adopting advanced technologies. Edible ink, safety, lower cost. For 100 milliliters ink can print about 3,000 cups coffee. Print on milk, coffee, drinks, and milkshake, cakes, chocolates. Easy to operation, will send you one USB flash driver with teaching video for free. Number 4. Evebot Coffee Art Printer. Evebot Coffee Art Printer, automatic 3D latte machine, food grade printer for cakes, biscuits, cappuccinos. The size and range of supported objects. Cup height range, 5 to 18 centimeters. Pattern printing size, 4 to 10 centimeters. Support cup diameter, 4 to 10 centimeters. Network parameters, Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/n. Patterns are not restricted. Logo/photo/text/emoji/pattern can be generated with one click. Durable, metal body. The interior of the machine is made of cage aluminium alloy frame construction, which is as solid as a rock. Cartridge safety, caramel edible coloring, a variety of safety tests. Number 5. SINO JOINSUN 4 Cups 3D Cake Printer. Our latte art coffee printer is one kind of digital inkjet printer, which use the health edible ink to print on latte coffee, which make your coffee more funny. It's one kind of machine help to make DIY art, drink and life, add more happy and funny to your life. Hot Sale Automatic Latte Coffee Printing Machine is a new condition product introduced to the market recently. It can make your coffee and food more funny. It can bring more opportunities to